Autophagy, the body's natural detox and repair process. Imagine if your body had an inbuilt self-cleaning system, removing damaged cells, repairing itself, and even fighting off diseases, all without medication. This powerful process is called autophagy, a Greek word meaning self-eating. It allows your body to break down old, dysfunctional cells and regenerate new, healthy ones, leading to disease prevention, healing, and longevity. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements or extreme diets to activate autophagy. One of the simplest and most effective ways is intermittent fasting, and it's easier than you think. The key is changing your mindset about food and hunger. A simple way to start: have an early dinner at 5:30 p.m. and finish by 6 p.m. The next day, delay breakfast until 10 a.m. If you feel hungry, stay hydrated. Drink lemon water with pink Himalayan salt or a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, ACV, diluted in half a cup of water. Why do these drinks help? Lemon water with pink Himalayan salt. Lemon alkalizes the body, flushes out toxins, and supports digestion, while pink Himalayan salt provides essential minerals and electrolytes to prevent dehydration and fatigue during fasting. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces cravings, and supports digestion by promoting stomach acid production, which is crucial during fasting. With these simple steps, you'll ease into fasting effortlessly, support your body's detox process, and unlock autophagy's full healing potential. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's natural healing mechanism. It acts like a deep cleaning system, removing waste, damaged proteins, and malfunctioning cells while recycling materials to create stronger, healthier cells. Think of it like a biological reset button, clearing out the old to make way for the new. This cellular repair process not only prevents disease but also reverses many chronic health conditions. The science behind autophagy. Autophagy is activated when the body experiences mild stress, such as fasting, exercise, or a low-carb diet. When you fast, your body stops focusing on digesting food and shifts its energy to cellular repair and renewal. Scientific research confirms the incredible power of autophagy. Yoshinori Ohsumi won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering how autophagy eliminates damaged cells, preventing diseases like cancer and neurodegeneration. Studies show that fasting-induced autophagy can help heal diabetes, POTS, autoimmune diseases, and even cancer by removing dysfunctional cells that fuel disease. Autophagy's healing power, more than just prevention. Many people think autophagy is just for disease prevention, but it actively heals the body at a cellular level. Research suggests that autophagy can reverse cancer by removing mutated and cancerous cells. Autophagy can halt tumor growth and support recovery. Diabetes and insulin resistance helps reset metabolism, improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes. PCOS and hormonal imbalances supports hormone regulation, reducing symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and infertility. Neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, clears protein buildups in the brain that contribute to memory loss and cognitive decline. Autoimmune disorders reduces inflammation and overactive immune responses, helping conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. Aging and skin health repairs collagen and damaged skin cells, promoting youthful, glowing skin. By engaging in regular fasting, you're not just preventing disease, you're activating your body's natural ability to heal. How to activate autophagy naturally? Intermittent fasting, the fastest and easiest way to trigger autophagy. Start with a 16-hour fast, 6 p.m. to 10 a.m., and increase as your body adapts. Healing drinks, lemon water with pink Himalayan salt and apple cider vinegar can enhance fasting benefits by supporting hydration, digestion, and detoxification. Nutrient-dense diet, eat foods that enhance autophagy and reduce inflammation. Green tea and coffee, rich in antioxidants that boost cellular repair. Turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxifier. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, helps sustain energy and repair cells. Low-carb, high-fat diet supports ketosis, another autophagy-boosting state. Exercise, high-intensity workouts and resistance training further boost autophagy and cellular regeneration. Quality sleep, deep sleep is when your body maximizes autophagy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of rest every night. Autophagy is one of the most powerful healing processes our bodies have. It removes damaged cells, regenerates healthy ones, and fights disease at the root cause at the cellular level. By simply adjusting your eating habits and embracing fasting, you activate a natural detox and healing process that can reverse illness, boost energy, and promote longevity. If you're new to fasting, start small, have an early dinner, delay breakfast, and hydrate with lemon water with pink Himalayan salt, or ACV. Your body has the ability to heal itself. You just have to give it the chance.